వెల్కమ్ టు శిక్ష మ్యాథ్స్ అకాడమీ. నా ఛానల్ని ఫస్ట్ టైం విజిట్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. టుడే విల్ డిస్కస్ 25th February first if J means. See here first question. If at some alpha and beta in R the intersection of the following planes. See here x plus 4y minus 2z is equal to 1 and x plus 7y minus 5z is equal to beta and x plus 5y plus alpha z is equal to 5 is a line in R cube, then alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta value adugutunnadu. See the options. First option is 0 and second option is minus 10 and third option is 10 and fourth option is 1. See here, see the solution. Plane intersect in a line delta 1 అంటే క్రామర్స్ మెథడ్లో చేస్తాం కదా మనం. సో డెల్టా 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఇక్కడ చూడండి 1 4 minus 2 1 7 minus 5 and 1 5 alpha. ఇక్కడ ఈ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సో find the det, we will get alpha is equal to minus 3 and delta 2 is equal to 0. ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ 1 4 1, నెక్స్ట్ 1 7 beta, next 1 5 5. Okay, so here we'll get finding the det, we'll get beta is equal to 13. So what you want to find? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 plus 13 is equal to minus 3 plus 13 is equal to 10. So which option was? Third option. So 10 is the answer, third option. Next, see the next question. If the matrix is A, given the A matrix 1 1 2 1 3 4 1 minus 1 3. So given here values B is equal to adjoint A and C is equal to 3A, then adjoint B by mod C, modulus of adjoint B by modulus of C is equal to. So now you have to find this value. So see the first option is 16 and second option is 8 and third option is 2 and fourth option is 72. Okay, first you have to find the det. సో డెట్ ఫైండ్ చేస్తే మనకి 6 వస్తుంది, అంటే ఏ వాల్యూ ఇచ్చేసాడు కదా. సో టు ఫైండ్ ద డెట్ విల్ గెట్ దట్ 6. అడ్జాయింట్ మోడ్యులస్ ఆఫ్, ఇక్కడ చూడండి డెట్ ఏ. సో మోడ్యులస్ ఆఫ్ అడ్జాయింట్ బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు దిస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ ద, సో a to the power of 3 minus 1 whole square, that is equal to a power 4. A power 4 can be written as a square into a square and det a whole square into det a whole square. So we'll get 36 into 36. Next, modulus of C is equal to, already given a condition in this question, C is equal to 3A. So C is equal to 27 into det A is equal to 27 into 6. So finally we'll get the answer 8. Next, third question. The value of I is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi x sin to the power of 8x by sin to the power of 8x plus cos to the power of 8x dx. See the options. First option is 2 pi square, second option is 4 pi and third option is pi square and fourth option is 2 pi. This is IPE model. So here consider I is equal to, in this x place or to substitute 2 pi minus x into sin to the power of 8 into 2 pi minus x dx. Consider this is equation 2. Here 1 plus 2, adding the both the equations will get 2i is equal to, here pi 2 pi ఇచ్చాడు. సో మనం దీన్ని కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తే ఫస్ట్ 2 pi అంటే 2 ఇంటూ పై. నెక్స్ట్ కేసులో ఇక్కడ మనకి పై, దీన్ని పై బై 2 అంటే పైన పై బై కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకుంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ 4 pi వస్తుంది. సో తర్వాత అప్పర్ లిమిట్ మైనస్ లోవర్ లిమిట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ డిఎక్స్ అంటే మనకి ఎక్స్. సో హియర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్ పై స్క్వేర్. నెక్స్ట్, fourth one, the number of the real roots of the equation, number of the real roots. See here given equation, e to the power of 4x plus e to the power of 3x minus 4 into e to the power of 2x plus e to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 0. See the options. First option is 4 and the second option is 1 and third option is 3 and fourth option is 2. Here first you have to consider like e power x is equal to t. Okay, in this e to the power of 4x, e to the power of 3x, in this e power x place I am taking t. E power x is equal to t, so t power 4 plus t cube minus 4t square plus t minus 4t square plus t plus 1. This is the theory of equations concept. Here dividing with t square on both sides. Okay, t square to మనం both sides divide చేస్తే we'll get t square plus t minus 4 plus 1 by t plus 1 by t square is equal to 0. So and first and last terms take in one bracket and t and 1 plus t take in one bracket minus 4 take the constant. Let t plus 1 by t is equal to z, take sum z. Okay, solving we'll get z is equal to minus 3 comma 2. So finally x is equal to 0 is the only one solution, so second option. Okay, thanks for watching.